Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I'm going to show you how to make a TikTok video in slow motion. So let's start. First, open the TikTok app. Now to add a post, tap on the plus icon at the bottom of the screen. You can either record a video right away or upload one from your gallery. I'll just record a video. Now tap on the record button to record the video. When you are done, tap on the tick icon on bottom right corner. Now tap on Effects from the bottom of the screen. At the bottom right corner, you'll see the time option. Tap on that. Now tap on Slow-Mo. You can either select the whole video to make it slow-mo, or you can select a portion. When you are done, tap Save on top right corner. And that's how you make a TikTok video in slow-mo. So if this video helps you out, then don't forget to leave a like. And see you in the next tutorial.